Naming variables. We have to follow some rules while using variables. Naming variables Rule 1. Use only the below characters. Capital letters from A to Z, small letters from A to Z, digits from 0 to 9, and underscore. Examples: age, total underscore bill. Naming variables. Rule 2. Below characters cannot be used. Blanks, commas, special characters like tilde, exclamation mark, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage, bitwise, dot, question mark, comma, etc. Naming variables. Rule 3. Variable name must begin with capital letters from A to Z, small letters from A to Z. Naming variables. Rule 4. Cannot use keywords which are reserved for special meaning like int, str, print, etc. We can see keywords using help command. Help of within double quotes keywords.